And the first time ever I kissed your mouth, I felt the earth move in my hands, like the trembling heart of a captive bird. I was there at your command, my love, that was there at my command. And the first time ever I lay with you, I felt your heart so close to mine.